I guess. We see a baby woodpeckers, and I don't know, you can see right there. There's a, look what they got their nest right there, on their log right there. I saw two baby woodpeckers go in and out, and I try to record a little bit, but I hope you can see. Right there, I think I see two baby woodpeckers. There's their house right there. I just saw one go in and out, and there's the other baby right there. They go in. I hope you can see. That's the other one they got out. Where I go before this one.